first thing you want to do is you want to wash your hands really well to make sure that you don't have any bacteria on your fingertips before touching your lenses. Make sure that you also rinse all the soap off completely. Next, use paper towel or a clean towel to dry your hands and get rid of any excess water residue. You want to take your lens case with the old solution or take a new case and take your lens out. Empty any old solution out of the case. And then fill the case with clean solution and put your lens back in to clean it. Now that your lenses are clean, put them on the fingertip and just gently dab off any excess solution on the back of your hand. The lens should sit up like so. Hold the lens on the tip of your index finger. Using your opposite hand, hold your eye open using your pinky finger and hold your bottom eyelid with your middle finger. Insert the lens onto the white of your eye and then blink so it ends up in the center. You want to be looking at the corner of your eye so you're not looking directly at the lens. When you blink, the lens should adjust and sit in the middle of your eye. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.